naman. Uy, ayun! Yes. Guys, this is it. Kailangan natin gawin ng best natin dito. Para talagang mapatawad na tayo. Ganda! Uy, mag-ingat kayo, ha? Apo, mami.
What is this place?
Bakit parang walang retreat house dito? Hindi ba tayo nawawala dito? Ha? Hindi ba tayo nawawala?
Hindi po. Nandito na po tayo. Pero as you can see, it's not a retreat house.
Parang kampo to eh.
Kasi kampo talaga to. Kakaibang recollection ito. It's a boot camp.
Boot camp?
You are not here to have fun. You are not here to enjoy. Di ito bakasyon. At hindi rin ito holiday. Itatabi nyo mga cellphones nyo, laptops, radios, iPads, and any form of communication. You will all change. Dalawa lang kahantungan nito. It's either you shape up or you ship out.